This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
A capture card is the only way to get full-quality Xbox footage for streaming. It captures video directly from the HDMI output. Choose a card that supports 4K 60 pass-through if you want high fidelity. Most cards also support 1080p 60 capture, which is ideal for many streams. The card connects via USB 3.0 to your PC to send video data quickly. Offloading and encoding to the capture card reduces CPU strain and improves stream stability and quality. First, power off the Xbox and the capture card before connecting any cables. Plug an HDMI cable from the Xbox HDMI output to the capture card HDMI in. Then plug another HDMI cable from the capture card HDMI out to your TV or monitor. This preserves 4K 60 pass-through and controller latency. Next, connect the capture card to your PC using a USB 3.0 port for maximum bandwidth. Finally, power on devices and install the manufacturer driver or capture software on your PC. Open your capture software and select the capture card as the video source right away. Set resolution to 1080p 60 for consistent results or 4K 30 if bandwidth limits apply. Enable hardware encoding on the card or use NVENC on your GPU to reduce PC CPU load. Configure audio so game sound and chat are separated into distinct channels. Set bitrate between 6,000 and 10,000 kbps for 1080p 60 to balance quality and upload speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.